Hey guys, welcome back to Living in Thailand. If you're new here, then welcome to my land. No, but I'm happy because it's Friday and I'm off. I'm excited because there's some things that I want to do to the apartment, so that's why I have you guys here. I finally ordered my TV stand and it came. My ottoman finally came, and I have my rug, so part of my living room will be complete. Over the last couple of weeks, I also kind of got my office dining area situated as well. I'm going to show you guys that in a second, but before we get into that, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, your girls get more subscribers, your girls get more views. How about that? Hey, but yeah, make sure you do that. Yeah, that's all I want to say, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have been doing. So I finally have a bookshelf as well as like a little dining room table. Ignore my little shoe over there. Yeah, just ignore that area. My house is not really clean, but if you saw on Instagram, you actually saw Michelle hanging up, but she actually fell. I think it's the wall. So in my last apartment, we had her up by command strips and it worked and she never fell. This time we did the same thing, except I don't know why. I think it could be the wall, but this frame actually is really heavy. It's a pretty heavy frame, so I'm gonna try to find one that's a little bit lighter so I can hang her up by just command strips. I don't want to put any holes in it, in the wall, because I may decide to change it. I don't know. I'm gonna just find another frame. So luckily the wall's fine and she's fine, no cracks or anything. It's just that the frame is a little beat up, so we gotta get a new one for her. Then over here, this is my bookshelf. The books are not in order the way I want. I just put something up. The plants, however, are there. I have a little orchid, and this is big fern, and this is orchid, and then that's just a little decoration. But I love this bookshelf, y'all. It has like a little door, and then it has drawers, which, you know, is great. I love it. So I'm so happy to kind of have this area set up. The bookshelf is here, so I finally know what color I want to do for my makeshift desk. If you have not seen me complete that, I'll link that in the cards. But yeah, I wanted to get the bookshelf first to figure out which color I'm going to do here, and I think I know which color I'm going to do. And y'all, it's been holding up really nicely, so I'm excited. So this is like the dining, library, the study, reading nook area, like the focus, and then you come over here, and then it's going to be the living room. So I just divided up the space to have like one side business, one side relaxation, I guess. So yeah, that's the rug that I ordered. This is my old coffee table what my TV has been on. That's going to change. This is the TV stand I have now that I'm going to put together. Got this from Overstock, and then I have my ottoman in my little entryway. All of this is going to change too. So this is not a fully furnished apartment at all. So yeah. Hey guys, just jumping right in to show you that we're going to get started with this TV stand. I also have my coffee because this was early in the morning, and I needed my coffee. But yeah, just showing you guys, I'm taking out all of the required parts. The quality of it so far is pretty good, I must say. So I'm excited about that. I love the color because it's not like white. It's like this like cream. It's white. It's like a little cream off white. So I'm excited. So yeah, I'm about to get started and do this, and yeah. All right, back to it. Reading the instructions, making some progress. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't that it was difficult to put together. It was just like, make sure you read the instructions to the T. But I did make some progress, and of course it did get completed. And then I wanted to show you guys that I'm almost done. And this is me putting on the doors. So yeah. All right, so TV stand is finished. I am just going to clean up and sweep and move that TV stand, put down my rug, and open up my ottoman. So yeah. Hey guys, back. I think this is like the next day. So yeah, I put together the living room is basically kind of done, except for the things that I want to put on the wall, but for the most part, like the big stuff is done. And I just wanted to show you where I am so far. I really like this. So this is where we are, again watching Girlfriends because I love Girlfriends. My dog's laying on the couch. Ignore the couch area. I still need to get pillows and stuff, but I definitely like the vibe that we have going here. I bought some plants yesterday, so a little jungle is preparing to be here as well, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, the ottoman, this is just a temporary tray that I actually got from Urban Outfitters that I'm just trying to see how I feel about it and how it vibes with everything. I really like just how everything's coming together. So yeah, this is where we are so far. This mirror was actually in my room. I'm trying to see if I want a mirror right there. It won't be that one, it'll be a different one. But like I said, I like to place things and figure out like if that's something that I even want. But I just love how this looks, like just sitting down. Potentially maybe getting a new TV as well. And then of course I'm going to have some art and decor up there. So yeah, I actually wanted to show you guys what my apartment, what the living room looks like today as of December 12th. This is what my apartment looks like. It is, you know, very different from what you guys just saw. Still a long way to go, as I still don't have much decor on the walls, but this is definitely just like coming together so beautifully and wonderfully, and I just really am loving the space. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys more updated of what it actually looks like. So yeah. Okay, right into another task. We are going to finally paint this kitchen island. I got some paint and I just decided that I'm gonna do it because I am tired of it not being the same color. So you'll see me painting, and honestly immediately as I put the paint on, I realized that it's not gonna go with my cabinets. You can kind of see them peeking in the back. It's not the same color, and I did a whole drawer because I thought maybe if it dries down it'll be darker, but it wasn't. All right, so the color that I got is not the same color there. So yeah, luckily I stayed close to a hardware store, so I did get another color which is a little bit darker and hopefully goes better. I don't know if you guys, yeah, I feel like this will go better. The cabinets are just really hard to figure out what color, because as you can see where the light hits it, it turns different colors. You see in the middle it's like really light, that's darker, so it's been really hard to find a color. So we're gonna do round 2 of this, and this is just gonna have to be the color that it is. So yeah, I look so busted. Like, this is not okay, but whatever. This is what I look like, guys. So yeah, as you guys can see, the second color of paint is definitely closer to the color of my cabinets. It's just a dark brown. Like, that's, at this point, that's all that I wanted was a dark brown. This is still a little bit off, but it does the job, and yeah, I'm just so happy. So just painting, just watch me paint. It's actually very therapeutic. So yeah, this is the final, not the final, but the product. This is 2 coats, and I did really well. I want to start charging people because I did really well. And then we're gonna move over to my makeshift desk. So I just took it off and put it on top of this cardboard so I can paint on top of it. The color that I'm using is actually the color that I used for the first fail kitchen island, which worked out perfectly for the desk. Such a beautiful color. I love the dark color, and this was super easy to paint. Again, very therapeutic experience. And this is just me showing you guys how it looks after 2 coats as well. This wasn't all the way dry, but I did 2 coats of both for the disc and for the island. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how it looked before. Very blah, as you can see. It's that pine wood color, which I don't like, and it's very similar to the bookshelf, which I was just like, okay, we have to paint this. And now this is the after. As you can see, y'all, this actually looks like a work space. I'm so happy. I love the brown. I love how it looks. And yeah, like this, it's coming together. My chair still is not here. It's supposed to come soon. So once the chair is here, I feel like it's gonna be great. And then I wanted to show you guys, I didn't have really a good before of the kitchen island, but I wanted to show you from the back. You can see, and this is an older video, just how it looked against the cabinets. It does not match at all. And then I'm going to show you the after. Bam! It looks like a real kitchen that it goes together. Again, the kitchen isn't all the way done, you know, as far as decor. I still have a couple of other things to do, but yeah, it matches well enough for me, and that's all that matters. Gonna change that kitchen rug as well, but as you can see, the kitchen island matches the cabinets. Yeah, so happy.